Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about constant in PLSQL. So constant is something which we declare in our declaration section. Before that, let me explain you syntax first. How we write constant? We have to write constant name, then the keyword constant, that the data type of the constant what we are going to declare, and the size, and if any value, if you want to assign any value into this constant. Okay, so we have three ways to assign the value into constant. One is simply using this assignment operator, another way is using this default keyword, and third way is again this default keyword with not null value. All right, so I'll just show you the example here first. You will get to know, you will understand the constant concept in better way using this example. So what I'm going to do here, I have written a declaration section where I'm going to declare two variables x and y. Out of these two variables, x is of constant type, so I have to write constant then number, and I'm assigning any value into x. Okay, so when I'm assigning any value into our constant variable, so I cannot assign any value into constant in our begin section as we can do with normal variables. Okay, so when I'll do when I'll assign any value in our x, I cannot do it here because it will give us error. Okay, I'll show you the example and then you will get it in better way. Let me copy this and paste it in our SQL workshop. Paste it here. So as you can see, we have two variable. One is of constant type, and here I'm declaring x is equal to 2. X2 is gonna assign into x, and in our begin section I have taken y as equal to 3, and I'm taking product of both x into y, multiplication of both the number, and when I'll run this query, I'll get output as multiplication of input number is 6. Okay, so this is how constant work. If I'll not assign this 2 here and I'll assign this 2 here in our begin section, I'll get error. Okay, what error I'll get? Let me run this query. I'll get error something like this: declaration of constant x must contain an initialization assignment. It means that it is saying us to assign some value to this constant. We cannot declare, we cannot assign value in begin section. So this is what the constant restriction is. You have to assign the value here itself. You cannot assign value in our execution section. Okay, so this is how constant works. Let me run this query again. Okay, so this is one way to assign the value. Okay, other ways, what I'm doing here, I'm writing x constant number, then I'm writing the keyword default 2. It means that the value of x, default value of x is 2, and then run this query. We'll get the same value as 6. And the third way to create this thing is like we can write it as not null. It means that value, this x should never be null. It should have some value. So here I'm giving 2 as input in the x, and I'm getting the output from x and y. Okay, so let me run this query. So as you can see, we got the output. So this is what constant is. Hope the concept and example is clear to you. For any confusion or doubt, let me know in comment box, and if you like the video, please like it and share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.